are you?
I'm doing pretty good, as you can see.
Daddy?
Yes.
You have been busy over 6 hours now and haven't eaten anything since the afternoon.
Well,
Dad, it's almost 4 p.m. Please, I needed to pause and get something to eat.
as you can
Honestly, you've really done enough for today,
come
Dad.
on.
Just get something to eat and have some rest, please.
You see, this
Don't
is
say no.
It's a backlog I'm trying to work on. You know, it's already 4, like you said. When I get home, I'll eat something. So let me clean up.
I'll do it, Daddy. I'll handle it. I got you.
By the way, where is your older sister, Dad?
Oh, I haven't seen her for the past 4 hours now. Maybe she has gone out with her friends as she usually does.
How unethical can your sister be? I mean, I can't fathom that a general manager of an establishment will leave office for over 4 hours without minding what her absence could do in the establishment, as it were.
Apologies, my king. Can we set aside the matter concerning my sister, Princess Adaku, and focus on you? Dad, we will revisit this matter again. But for now, let us go home.
Well, I have already invited that one. You can take this on the long side with you.
Okay.
So you drop this. No, this.
Oh, okay.
This one is supposed to be 2 for the. Yes, this is for the sea waves.
All right. Then see you then.
All right. Is the driver?
Daddy, everything is set. I got you. Let's go.
He's suffering from heart palpitation as a result of a stress induced. But like I said, he's going to be fine.
Daddy, you sure, doctor?
Yeah, he just needs enough rest.
Daddy, you see? I told you earlier to eat, but you refused.
Excuse me, please.
Thank you, doctor.
My princess, what really happened?
Daddy collapsed as we're about to head home.
Just like that?
Just like that.
What about Princess Adaku?
I haven't seen her since she left the office hours ago without informing anyone of her whereabouts. I also tried calling her, but she did not answer.
Try again. She might pick.
call is important.
It's not that important. But
Hello, Adako. Are you okay?
what's up?
Where have you been? You left the office without telling anyone of your whereabouts.
Why are you asking about my location? What's up with that?
I've also tried calling you, but you refuse to answer my calls. Well, Daddy is in the hospital and we need you here now.
Father is sick. He collapsed. Why? How? I'm in the middle of something right now. Something very important. Okay? I can't leave. I can't leave right now, okay? You just take care of Father. I'll be with you shortly. I said I will be with you as soon as I can, okay? This is very important to my life. I can't leave here. Okay? Yeah, I'll meet you guys up at the hospital then. Alright.
Is anything the matter?
You said my father collapsed.
Wow.
He'll be fine. He'll be fine.
He'll be fine. He's a strong
Is he
man.
sick?
He's a strong man. Come on. Hit
Strong
the
man.
music.
Come on, let's go, man. Let's go. Let's go.
What is wrong with this girl? You just heard her. What manner of nonsense is this? Oh no. How can she say that she's somewhere more important than coming to the hospital to see Daddy?
Where could be more important than the life of her father?
I really can't place it. You heard her saying that she's not a doctor. The doctor knows what to do. So he should do his job. Something wrong with that Dako.
Your sister is not doing well. But you should not allow that to bother you. The most important thing is for Ikwe to recover.
You have a point. I'm so concerned about my father's health. I'll deal with that Dako later. Daddy, I'm so sorry. You see? I always tell you to work less and eat more because of your health and age.
Mama, I'm wondering what is keeping me. It's getting late though.
Ijoma,
Huh?
this is evening now. People are closing from their places of work. At this time, you have so many passengers along the road. So maybe he's very busy.
Mama, I know. But me say usually come home earlier than this. Today is different though.
That's true. You're correct. Yeah, Ijoma.
Ma?
Why don't you call him on phone?
I have. His number is not connecting, Mama. He's not going.
need to ask you a question.
What is it?
Why do you love my son so much, despite the fact that he's not rich, he doesn't have money?
Mama. Ha! Mama, what is it now? Mama, money is not everything. I love Meze like that. That Meze does not have money today does not mean he will not have tomorrow. He will not remain a bus driver. Besides, Meze is intelligent. He's a graduate, Mama.
Mama. It's Mama.
No.
How are you?
Welcome.
This one you came today.
I can see you.
Are you serious?
Yes.
Mama, how far? Mama, welcome me home now.
Welcome.
Your son is back.
You got me scared. Look at the time. Look at the time.
Mama, do you know where I'm coming from?
What happened?
I had a flat tire.
Mama is back.
What are you doing?
is back.
I can see you. I can see you now.
Sit down.
Let
Mama.
me leave the both of you. Meze, I'm in the kitchen, no?
I came to tell you that my father wants to use your boss for a charter for traditional marriage.
Traditional marriage?
Hope you'll be available.
When?
I don't know. He didn't really say, but we'll tell you.
I'm available now.
Okay. No problem.
But he didn't tell you when?
No.
I had a flat tire and my battery died. I'm sure you've been calling me, right?
I've been trying your line. It's not connected.
I have something to tell Mama.
Mama? Missy, your line is not going. I'm... Okay.
Greetings, my princess. Welcome, my princess. The king doesn't work on Saturdays, and his car isn't parked here. Where is he? Did he mention where he went to?
My princess, you know you were not around yesterday. And the Igwe was sick yesterday and was rushed to the hospital.
Oh yeah, that's true. He's not back yet?
No, but according to Princess Mandy, she said that he will be discharged today, and she went to the hospital.
Okay. Give me something to eat. I'm really famished.
They are here.
Greatness, my friend. Hey.
Don't touch me! Don't touch me! Oh no.
Daddy, easy.
Let's take it.
Easy.
Baby, how are you feeling now?
I said don't come close! Oh no.
Are you getting better? Daddy! Just get out. Daddy!
Come closer to the most. No, sure.
Do not remember requesting your presence. What are you doing in my room?
Are you okay? That I should leave your room? Are you mad or something?
And if you do not leave my room right now, I will show you something far worse than madness. Are you not ashamed of yourself? A general manager in her father's company. Yet, go about disgracing yourself with some worthless company? Are you mad? Did I not call you yesterday to rush to the hospital that Daddy was ill? What did you say to me? No, I cannot come. I have something important I'm doing. I said Daddy is not important. Get out. Get out.
Friend, just shut up and stop faffing around. Shut your mouth. What is wrong with you? Listen, I need you to understand that I am your elder sister. Oh. And the next time you insult me, I will make sure you question your bloodline.
You are mad. Hatako, do not make me lose it. Else you see the other side of me. Get out of my room. Go somewhere and give your orders. Don't come here ordering me around.
Man, I'm not here for this. What exactly happened to Dad?
If you wish to know, go and ask Daddy. I dare you. I know you wouldn't because of your lack of manners. Listen, I am not in the mood for this. Just get out of my room, now.
Girl, you need to grow up.
Oh yes, you need to grow up too, big sis. Lazy, okay.
Said you wanted to talk to me.
Yes. Hey, Joma.
Sir?
That young man I saw this afternoon dropped you in front of this house. Did you shatter the boss? Or did you pay him for that because I know you don't have the money?
Papa, no, I didn't pay him. Neither did I chatter the boss.
You didn't pay him? And you did not chatter the boss? And he brought you home. Is there something you are not telling me, Joma? How can you tell me that a young boy, that fine boy, brought you home with that nonsense boss he's having? You did not pay him. And you... Joma, let it not be what I'm thinking. Let it not be what I'm thinking, Joma. Wait, wait. Now I remember. Let it not be that I sent you to him, to his house, to tell him that he will carry us to somewhere, and you went there for another business. Because as he's fine, yellow, take back the fish, comb his head. I know, because I don't trust you.
Papa, I don't know what you're talking about. There's nothing going on between me and Maisie.
You don't know what I'm talking about?
Yes.
There's nothing going on between you and the Messiah. You don't understand what I'm saying. Now let me tell you. If you don't have anything to do with him, tell him to stop bringing you back to this house. And wait, if we are planning to marry that boy, let me tell you, you know that boy is poor. That boss is not even his own. Make sure that boy has the money to perform all the marriage right. You know our marriage, this is very big. Marriage list is very big. You know it very well.
And money is not everything in marriage. Money is not everything in marriage.
If your mind this house, money is everything. Ego be here in this family. Money is everything in this house. Tell him to stop bringing you back to this house, else I will set that boss ablaze.
Papa, I never... That's not got into that now. That's his source of income.
Oh. His source of income?
Yes.
You didn't know him too well to know that boss is having his source of his income. So that's the extent you have gone with him. Okay? That is the extent you have gone with him. You have known everything about him, that boss is the only source of income. Okay? Tell him to stop bringing you back to this house. That boss, I will set both of them, all of them ablaze.
Okay. Perfect.
What is your problem?
No problem. I will tell him. It's okay.
Better. Go and tell him. What? A young boy like that. Bringing a woman back to her house without collecting money. Bah, something's wrong. If your mind is not telling me the truth, don't worry. You will see.
Daddy, I'm sorry I couldn't come see you at the hospital. I got busy. I was in the middle of something that I couldn't leave. Yeah. But I'm sorry, I'm here now. And I can see you're stronger now. Thanks be to God.
Did I hear you say you were busy?
Yeah, I was busy.
What could be more important than your father's help?
Daddy, come on. Let's not preempt this. Okay, I said I'm sorry. I'm here now. I'm here to take care of you.
I've forgiven you.
Yeah. So, tell me, how's your health? How are you feeling now? I want to take good care of you myself. Okay?
Good morning, Daddy. Here is the breakfast. Good. Eat a little and have your medication. Hi, sis. I know. Medication. A little and have your medication.
Thank you.
You want this?
No.
I know. So, how are you feeling?
I'm doing good.
Obviously.
I tell you I don't need much sugar.
I know. Here we go. So, Daddy, you know who is downstairs waiting to see you. Would you like me to tell him to wait, or he should come back next time?
Tell him that I will join him in a minute. I mean, okay, that's enough.
No, Daddy, you have to eat. Eat a little more. Yeah.
Your Majesty, you look healthier today. You're recovering fast.
Well, what can we say? After the doctor's prescription and the dispenser of the drugs prescribed by the doctor, I have been taking it as the doctors advised. I agree with you that there is changes.
I am so delighted to hear that.
Myself too.
There is something I've been longing to discuss with you, my king. You know, after you felt that very day, I perceived within me that something went wrong. And if the needful is not done, something unimaginable can happen. And God forbid, we wouldn't want that to happen.
I hope nothing is wrong.
Nothing is wrong anyways, but if the needful is not done, something wrong can happen. My king, you know, you are not getting younger these days. Yes, you need to retire from handling your company. Hand it over a capable hands that will take this company to the higher heights. At least it will reduce stress from you and make you live longer. You know, we love you. We need you. The kingdom needs you. Please, I want you to think deeply. You know, we can't lose you, my king. You are a good king.
Oh. Our people say that when urine is patched together, it forms. I want to sincerely acknowledge your efforts to make sure that the palace is in order and the kingdom at large. I want you to know that we're on the same wavelength. I will sincerely think about it and be rest assured that, of course, I will heed to your advice.
My king!
Oh, yeah, buddy.
I'm so glad to hear that. Eh? And the gods will still keep you for us. Eh?
Please do justice to this.
Hey!
Well, this day.
Hi, Daddy.
How are you?
Hi, Dad. You don't look happy. Is there anything bothering you? You know you can always share.
I'm fine.
No, Dad. You don't look fine. What is it?
I am fine.
Dad, I insist. What is it? Share it with me.
Well, nothing. Okay, that reminds me. What about the Seaworld's company? Have the payment they did some time ago reflected into the company's account? You know, we need to prepare a voucher with that.
Daddy, please. Remember, you are not fully recovered yet to talk about business. May we kindly discuss this another time?
Fine.
Good. So, could you please have your fruits now?
Oh, my favorite.
So, please have your fruits now.
My favorite.
Okay.
Must you always feed me? What about the file?
Daddy, please. Eat first. Why are you packing these files? Do you want to take them out?
I just discovered that some of the proposals we sent already for vetting were not properly gazetted, including the passengers.
Will this affect the Seaways file? I really want to review the account before the meeting.
No, this has nothing to do with the sea waves.
Okay. Can I have them now?
Yes. This. No, with this.
Okay, I'll bring the report back to your desk.
I appreciate it.
Thank you.
This file contains everything about my conglomerate and my company. It will temporarily be in their care until I give you further directions on what to do.
Okay, Your Majesty, thank you very much. Everything will be done according to your instruction.
I appreciate it. I will send something into your account for your logistics.
Oh, thank you, Your Majesty.
You all are witness to what happened to me a few days ago. It's a clear indication that I can no longer function in the capacity of CEO of my company again. However, someone needs to run my company. It's a clear fact that I may not have a male child, but I have my children. The reason I called you here, Ono, the presence of my daughters, Princess Adako and Princess Mandy, is because of the pronouncement I'm about to make. I need a capable hand to run the company.
Your Majesty, you made a very good point. But the question here is there any of your staff you trust very well that will be able to take over from you? Or would you like to engage someone from outside who will be capable also to take over from you?
Oh no. Are you trying to say that my father is fruitless because he has girls? Well, if you must know, I'm here as my father's child. And from what His Majesty just said, what we should be talking about is how to hand over the company to me.
Hello. She's right. The company needs capable hands. I have studied the transition and growth of my company over the years. And I discovered that part of the contributing factors for that growth is coming from my daughter, Mandy. Having said that thus far, I am about to announce her the new managing director of the company as a reward for her assiduous character and seriousness towards the development of my establishment. She's a girl who has worked, and I know about it. The reason I called for this meeting.
Daddy! Daddy,
It is well.
thank you so much for finding me worthy of your company.
Sit down.
Thank you. Daddy, I am super happy. Thank you so much, and I promise you that I will never disappoint you. Daddy, I will make you proud. We are going to expand. Daddy, we're going global. Thank you so much, Daddy. Oh no, thank you so much. Adako, my sister, thank you so much. We're going to do greater things together, right?
My king, I'm excited at the wisdom you exhibited through your decision just now. At least it will reduce stress so that you can live longer.
Exactly. You're right, Emily.
Daddy, what sort of decision is this? What is going on? Giving my right to my younger sister? A company that is clearly mine to my younger sister? Daddy, what are you doing? Do you even understand the gravity of what you just said? The implications of your actions? Oh no. Are you in support of this?
My daughter, Princess Adako, there is something I want you to understand. Behind every season, there is a reason. Our king has a very good reason why he made such a decision. Besides, he is the owner of the company and he chooses what he wants to do. Everything both of you are doing still enter one goal, the success of the company.
Now, what are you talking about? What good decision can come up from a sick old man? But I understand that you are sick and that you need time to recuperate. I'm going to give you all the time, okay? Calm down and think about this. By tomorrow, I'm sure you're going to come up with a clear decision. Because this right here, I am not buying it. Take all the time you need. I'm out of here. Just take all the time, okay? You're sick. If you need a doctor, I'll call you a doctor. You need to see a doctor.
Daddy, I am so sorry. But I think she'll be fine. Are you okay?
My king, I hope your decision will not bring chaos to the royal home and the kingdom at large.
Oh no. Akons Agro Limited is my company.
Come on. Thank you. Yeah. A glass of champagne would do. I'll call you right back.
Money. So this is who you are. All this while you've been planning, plotting to take what rightfully belongs to me.
I beg your pardon. What are you talking about?
May the gods of our land strike your mouth. What do you mean? Oh, you want to pretend? So this is the reason behind you playing the good girl role, trying to be all good to our father just so you could buy his love, penetrate his heart. That way he hands over the company to you. I see your plan, but it won't work. Mandy, you listen to me. What? I need you to go straight to our father. Tell him that you are not interested in that position because that position belongs to me. That company is mine. Failure to do so, little sis. You wouldn't like what would hit you next.
Adako, do not take my simplicity for stupidity. I hate threats. If you choose to persist, I will show you the side of me I would rather not reveal. I must ask, are you not concerned about the image you present? It is obvious you've sold your dignity in place of alcohol. Aren't you ashamed of yourself? You've served for years as general manager, yet you have little to show in terms of meaningful progress. And here you stand before me and rant. You must be stupid. What did you do with your time? Nothing. Instead, you choose to associate with worthless friends that do not honor this family or even the company. I warn you, stay away from me, because this path you choose to ride on will not lead you to your intent. I will not support such evil. This position is mine, and mine alone. There's nothing you can do about it. Now, get out of my room.
And if I don't,
you will watch me and learn the hard way.
Father, God, I want us to talk.
Sit down. What is it?
Father, why are you doing this to me? Why do you hate me so much? You've placed my little sister ahead of me in everything, including the company that is supposedly my birthright. But that is a slap to my person. An insult to me.
Well, talking about your sister Mandy, recall that Mandy was made an accountant officer in the same company. You, the general manager. And over the years, Mandy has climbed a very wonderful height of excellence. You? In return, what have you done? Squander money? Clubbing? Living in affluence with some kind of strangers that I don't know. And now you're fidgeting over the paradigm shift. See, I've been a man who had worked all my life, and I understand a serious person when I see one. Your younger sister has proven to me by all reasonable doubt that she wants the family to stand, including the company. That we are all looking forward to see how it will get to the highest height. But you has proven to me that you don't care. There is no sign of seriousness. That is the reason I have to acknowledge what your sister is doing and awarded the position she's handling today. There's no strings attached rather than a work of excellence. You have to understand it. It's part of the work ethics.
So you think I do not want the company to grow, huh? Father, I am sorry. Okay? I'm sorry. I'm a changed person. Even a blind man can attest to it that I am a changed person. Father, please.
Well,
I need that position.
Until there is proper change coming from you, your sister still is the managing director of Akons Agro Limited.
Father, I want you to know that you have drawn the battle line between my sister and me.
What did you say?
If you don't do the needful by putting me in charge of that company, you are not going to like the outcome of this battle you just created.
I would like to advise both of you to remain focused on your responsibilities as you've been promoted. Maintain a high level of professionalism at all times. Please ensure that communications between you two is respectful and work-related. Avoid actions that may disrupt the smooth running of this company. I want us to remain committed to our goals and uphold standards expected of us so that we can expand as planned.
I will do that with all diligence, ma. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, my princess. I oblige to take every responsibility that is expected of me.
Thank you.
Udemba. Yes, I was in your house yesterday, but your wife told me you went out. When did the chairman fix the homeowner meeting? Next tomorrow. It's okay, no problem. It's okay. I will, yeah. I will be there, no problem, I will be there. No problem, I will be there. It's okay. No problem. I will be there.
Papa, you are here. You want this your drink. Papa, Jikwale and Wayo, take it easy. Anyways, I'm off to see someone. I'll be back soon.
Hey, Pijama, come back here. Pijama. Few weeks ago, I asked you a question concerning that bus driver, Monsieur. What both of you are doing? I don't know if both of you are playing a moonlight play. Huh? If that boy is interested in marrying you, let him come and introduce himself to me and make his intention known. Instead of all this corner of both of you are doing. See, he has only 14 days to do that. Failure to do so, I will have no option than to tell Eboka, my friend, to send for his son to come and marry you out of my house. And you know me, nobody will stop me. You know me.
Papa, in this hard time, you're telling somebody to come and do marriage things. Papa, please, the country is hard now. Allow the young man rest.
Did I hear you say country is hard?
Yes.
Country is hard. Ain't your mind not ashamed of yourself? You are telling me that country is hard, but that boy has been doing this thing to you morning, afternoon, night. So country is not hard on that side. Okay? Country is not hard on this side. It's all right. No problem. You had me. Just after 14 days and nothing happens, you will see me in action.
Papa, I don't like this thing you're saying. Eh?
I'm not saying for you to like it.
What kind of thing is this now? I don't like it.
You can go wherever you want to go. Because I know that you are going to that boy's
Papa,
house.
bye-bye, people.
But I don't know. Country is hard. And a country I don't have in Nanka.
This is in line with our company's review that comes every first quarter of the year. With this, I always assess the possible challenges that comes from the directors down to the managerial level in my company. I want to know the challenges you're facing in your offices, a possible way to promote our transactions and bring further development. I am open to hear your challenges and give my fatherly advice. With my wealth of experience, I believe there is way forward when I hear it. I want to start with you, Mandy.
Daddy, none that I can recognize. Well, today we had our management meeting. Also, Mr. Chris got promoted as the company's accountant. In addition to that, we made shipments to Malaysia and Singapore. We successfully shipped 4 containers of kuli kuli oil, as we used to.
I am enthused. I hope you have them documented.
Oh yes, I have them documented. Would you want to see through my iPad? I can get it from the car.
Not yet. What about you, Princess Adako? Are you facing any challenge?
Yes. Father, I am facing challenges. And they concern my position as the first daughter of this family. Father, you have given my younger sister a post that I'm supposed to hold in that company, and that I am not happy about. And I urge you to do something real quick before this escalates. You need to do something. I know why I'm saying this.
Adako, I want you to know that nothing changed the position of the status quo in my company. And I want you to desist from further threat. I am warning you. Now get out of my sight.
Father.
I said get out of my sight!
Fine. I'll leave. But you can't stop me from fighting for my right.
See how she truncated the peaceful meeting I'm supposed to have that sets the way forward in my company.
Apologies, Father. I do not want to question your authority as the king and my father. But please, I want you to have a rethink of your decision. I don't mind. I can step down for my sister to assume this particular position. Else, this palace will be chaotic. Father, she is my sister and I love her that much. Just give her the position.
You are still the managing director of my company.
If you call him bad girl, you know mistake. If you call him only simple matter. If you call him body girl, oh, you know mistake. If you call him honey somebody,
What the hell are you doing here? I came so that we can talk.
Talk about what, Mandy? Do you realize that you were so evil and manipulative?
Evil? No. I am only here for us to sort things out. And I would not appreciate it to be insulted by you. Ajako. Let's be sisters again. Let us find peace. I will step back on this because I want us to find peace. We are at a delicate crossroads, and our choices now is everything that follows. You are my elder sister, but our father entrusted me in this position because of concerns surrounding your lifestyle. For the sake of peace, I will step back from all of this. We are at a delicate crossroads, and our choices now will follow everything. Hadako, you are my elder sister, but our father entrusted me with this position because of concerns surrounding your lifestyle. Now listen carefully. If I see any genuine change and responsibility from you, I promise you, I will step down and ensure your promotion as the managing director of Daddy's company as you've always wanted. Hadako, I want us to find ourselves again. Let us be sisters. Let's find peace. For the sake of Daddy's company and our family. I do not wish to continue this fight. I am sorry.
Did I just hear you say you will be promoting me, your elder sister?
You heard right.
Girl, who the hell is your dealer? You need to stop. Mandy, I need you to pick yourself up and get the hell out of my room right now.
It is so disgusting that you do not wish to embrace peace. But I tell you, if you fail to heed to my advice, you will regret it.
Let the heaven fall. Get out, please. Just get out.
I'm off to work, oh.
My love, good morning.
John,
Eh?
what are you doing here by this time? Do you know what time it is?
Hey, go away, John. You remember that school I told you about? I submitted my application. They called me, they said I should come.
Oh, they have called you?
Yes.
So you start with them?
Yes.
Congratulations.
And also I want to talk to you about something important.
What is it again? I don't have money.
Maybe there's no money.
Ijom, I don't have money.
There's no money.
Okay. What is it?
He's my father. He has been acting funny. He said he has been seeing you around, seeing us moving funny. And he said by the time he checks and I'm no longer a virgin, that is when you will know who he is in this village.
Your father said he has been seeing us around.
Yes.
That when he checks...
And I'm no longer a virgin.
And you're no longer a virgin. I'll know who he is in this village.
Yes. He said you should come and do the needful.
So in other words, I should come and see him?
Yes, no. Come
and pay your bride price?
Yes.
Is that why you're speaking all this plenty? Your father is a comedian.
Onyechi.
Yes, my princess.
From now on, I'm in charge of this company. And as a secretary, I need you to submit every document in your possession to me without any delay. I'll be reviewing them personally.
No, my princess. I will do no such thing. Your sister, Princess Mandy, is the managing director of this company, and she is the one that handed those documents over to me. I can only release those documents to that same person that handed them over to me.
Are you mad? Have you lost your senses? No, are you arguing with me? Do you want to lose your job? Huh?
With due respect, ma, you cannot fire me because you are not my employer.
Ah, wonderful. Is that what your little skull told you?
What is going on here? Why are you in my office?
Mandy, how dare you ask me such stupid question? Huh? Have you forgotten that if anyone should be seated here, right on this table, as the managing director of this company, that person should be me. Now I need you to go straight home and tell your father to do the needful. Else, Mandy.
How did she get into my office?
I'm very sorry, my princess. She forced me to open the door for her. She said she is now in charge, that she is now the new managing director of the company. She even asked me to hand those documents you gave to me over to her, and she threatened to fire me if I don't do that.
It's alright. Go back to your office.
Okay, thank you, my princess. Thank you.
Adako, a sisterly advice. Leave my office with the last dignity you have left in you. That is if you still have any at all.
Well, I have none. And I need you to do your worst.
Okay. Hello, Julius. I want you right now in my office to take care of something real important to me. Thank you.
Mandy, talk to your father. I know why I'm keeping my cool. You better talk to your father. Tell him to do the needful. Oh!
Yes, my princess.
You called the security on me?
Julius, I want you to escort my sister out of my office now.
Princess, please, I can walk you down to the office.
Touch me. No, come on. Touch me. You're a man, huh? Come on.
Why are
Try
you
it.
romancing right with her? Do you want to lose your job? Take her out of my office. Escort her to our office now.
Come on. You're the security, huh? Touch me. Hit me. Come on. Push me.
Are you psychologically maladjusted? I still could not figure out your recent action against the ethics in my office. Thank your stars that the police you called to arrest my staff were intelligent enough in their line of duty. Otherwise, I would have called the DPO myself to arrest you and lock you up too.
Daddy, why are you trying to make a mountain out of a molehill? I mean, when has it become a crime for one to fight for their rights? Mandy here should step down and let me rise to claim my rightful position in your company. It's that simple.
The struggle for birthright starts by assessing your capability and your support so far in the family. Can you even highlight the success, the pedigree of that company you're fighting for? The answer is no. Your younger sister here, Mandy, has exceedingly done well in the area of processing, struggle, excellence, hard work. That's why she's enjoying the positions she is acquiring today. Mandy.
Yes, Dad.
You need a breath of fresh air.
Me too.
Yes, let me make this clear that
Uncle, that's why I've come. I was supposed to come with some of my people, but they travel. So I promised to bring them when they return.
Mr. If I can understand you clearly, you said you would want to marry my daughter. And that is why you came to make your intention known to me.
That's correct.
And you also promised that next time you will come with your people.
Yes, sir.
It's okay. You're welcome. But before I say anything, I want my daughter to be here. So that she can hear me out. Ijeoma.
Papa.
Come.
Yes, Papa. Okay.
Ijeoma. This young man here, Mezie, of course, you know him very well. You know him. He's not a new person to you. He came here to tell me that he would want to marry you. So that's why I called you to hear from you. What do you have to say?
Papa, that would be very nice.
Okay, that's no problem. Before I say anything again, I would like to give you our marriage list. So if you look at it and see yourself that you are capable of doing what is in that list, then we can go ahead with the marriage. Okay, let me get the list.
I hope he's not trying to make things difficult for me.
No, don't worry. I'll handle it.
You can handle him. Okay.
Hey. Oh, yeah. Monsieur, this is the marriage list. I want you to go through it and see if you can be able to do what is in that list and get back to me.
$20 cows? 20 cows? $50,000 tubers of yam. Sorry, sir. Is this list for me? Sir, did you forget I'm from this community? Sir, this must be for a stranger, sir.
Well, I don't know what you're talking about. Stranger or indigenous. Marriage list is marriage list. This is what you will do. I want you to do on my daughter's head. This is what I want you to. If you cannot be able to do this, then you forget about the marriage. There are other people, other men, rich men, billionaires out there that can come here and marry my daughter and do even more than what is in this list.
Why is your father doing this?
What is 20 cows?
Papa, I don't like this, though. I don't like this list. It's too much.
Come on, will you keep quiet? Shut up. What do you know? If we cannot do what is in that list, then let him forget about the marriage. There is another thing, but it's not in this list, and it is very, very important. It's a must. You must do it. We call it ego check. How do you mean? How do you mean? What's that? You must have ego check. This is normally protect us is women. Ego check. And you must do it. It's money for the youth.
Papa, this is not nice. I don't like this thing.
Are you not going with the list?
Mezie. Papa, I don't like this thing. I don't like.
That is your business. You don't have money and you are planning to get married to my daughter. Hey! It's your baby. Longest time. Where have you been? For months I have not seen you. Did you travel?
Are you the one saying this? We met at Mama Ngozi's shop the other day now, when you came to buy kola nut.
That is true, that is true, that is true. I have forgotten. So how is your family?
We are okay. We are managing. You know how things are. I heard that somebody is coming for your daughter's hand in marriage. Congratulations. Udo.
Congratulations.
Did
I hear you say congratulations?
How if you
But the person has not done anything. He just came to my house to make his intention known towards my daughter.
It's still okay, man. 1,000 miles starts with one step. Is the person from our community?
Ofebu, are you the one asking me this question? Don't you know Mezier, your driver again? The one that drives your shuttle bus?
Mezier? My driver want to get married to your daughter without telling me.
But I said he had not done anything. He has not done anything. Maybe he will tell you later, but I'm not sure that marriage will work. Because I gave him stranger's list.
Why? We have our marriage list now and stranger list. Why did you give him stranger list?
The girl in question, he is asking for her hand in marriage, is my daughter. And I have every right to give him the list I want. If he doesn't want it that way, then let him look for somewhere else to get married. Simple.
It's okay. If you say so, I have somewhere I'm rushing to. We will see on our next meeting day on our phone.
It's okay.
We will see.
My regards to your family. Hey! This time you are now wearing a senator suit.
What do I have to say?
Okay.
So this boy want to use the money he's making with my boss to go and get married. No, I will never allow that. I will not allow that to happen. There's no problem. I don't want any problem with anybody. Hello? Hello? Mezier? Mezier? I want you to come to the house first thing tomorrow morning before you go to work. We have something to discuss. Yes, no problem, no problem. Just come to the house. Let us discuss on something. Don't fail.
Your Majesty, is everything okay? Since I entered this palace, I discover you are not happy. What is bothering you, my king?
Oh no. Things are falling apart drastically in my life. Adako has decided to become a cog in the wheel of my progress. Can you imagine that she walked down into my office a few days ago and assumed the office of an MD, giving orders to that effect?
How could she do that? Is something wrong with her?
She caused the chaos. Is so much as Mandy walking into the scene to see what was going on and quietly asked her to leave the office. She refused. She had no option than to call the security personnel to walk her out. What she did in return was to call police officers on them, if not because of the diplomacy Mandy used in talking with the police officers. There would have been more chaos and more arrests in my company that day. The question is, how long will this continue?
Has it gotten to that extent?
The reason I called for this meeting is that I'm about to do something that everybody will blame me, regardless that she's my first daughter. I'm about to do something the whole world will hear, and they will blame me at the end.
Your Majesty, please, calm down. Opikidaju, please. I will talk to her. I believe she listens to me. I believe there's no how I can talk senses into her that she will not amend her ways. Please.
Hey, give me the key to this office. Fast.
Ma, I don't have the keys.
What do you mean you don't have the keys? I need the keys to this office.
Your sister, Princess Mandy, is with the keys. Meanwhile, I think she have changed the key to the door.
She what?
She changed the key.
Mandy? Change the keys to this office.
Yes, my friend.
Why? Without my consent? What do you mean you don't know? Why? I'm asking you why? Why did she change the keys to this office?
Princess, I don't know.
Oh, you don't know? Of course you don't know. But you know what? I'll make sure you lose your job.
If you call him bad girl, you know mistake. If you call him only if you call him bad girl, you know mistake. If you call him only somebody,
So this is why you called me here. You want me to take things easy? Really? Are you serious? Oh no, were you not there when my father handed the company over to my little sister and you sat there and did nothing? You sat there and you were smiling like a moron. Listen, let me tell you. If you want peace to reign in that palace, you better go to my father and tell him to do the right thing. Else, oh no, else you'll be war. And that's our promise.
Is something wrong with you? Have you gone out of your senses? How could you sit before a knower of this great kingdom and speak of war? Are you insane? You and I know that if that company is handed over to you, you mess it up. The best thing to do is to change your reckless way of life. You know your father, our king, does not respond or sponsor irresponsibility. You better change or nothing will come to you.
That I am irresponsible. I know, I should have known. You called me here to rain insults on me. Really? Oh no, are you okay? Do you know who you're talking to? No, do you even realize that I'm the princess of this kingdom? And you are insulting me right before me. Are you okay? Oh no, look at you. I blame myself. You know I blame myself because I sat here to listen to you thinking that you have something upstairs. But no, you're an empty brain. Oh no, let this never repeat itself next time. Let it not repeat itself next time that you insult me, the princess of this kingdom. Else, oh no, if I come back here, I will make sure that I beat you up like a baby. Don't even underestimate me. I will beat you up like a baby. Look at you, bloody faggot. Because I sat here and gave you audience. Bloody faggot.
If you call him somebody,
Me, a fool. Me, Onowu of this great kingdom. A useless man.
I'm not comfortable with this. What is it? Why? Yeah, Mezi? Did you take his money?
Mama, what kind of question is that now? What do you mean if I took his money? How can I take his money?
Then why is he behaving this way? Why did he
Mama,
take
I don't know. I don't know. You shouldn't ask me if I took his money. Have I taken anybody's money before? I always do my account. At the close of work, I give him his money. Why did he take the boss away from me? I don't know.
Mezi, something is wrong somewhere.
Something has to be wrong somewhere.
My love. Mama, good evening.
Good evening, my dear.
Mama, what is going on? Meze, what is it? Where is your boss?
They took his boss from him.
Mama, my love, what is going on? What happened? What did you do? Meze?
Let me leave the bit of you to talk.
Meze, what happened to your boss? Tell me what happened now. My love. What did you do?
My princess.
What is it?
My princess, please, you are blocking the gate.
Uh-huh.
Move it in so that Princess Mandy can drive in when she comes back.
So that what?
So that Princess Mandy can drive in when she got back.
Who the hell is Princess Mandy? Huh? Who the hell is Mandy? No, tell me. Say it. Who the hell is that? Huh? Who the hell is Mandy? Talk to me. Who the hell is that? Now you listen. The next time you obstruct my movement, I'm going to make sure I kill you myself. I'm not capping. I'll shoot you.
That's right, my princess.
Fool.
Monsieur, since you came here, you've been talking, going round without making any point. Tell me, I don't understand you. What are you trying to say?
What I'm trying to say is that I lost my job. I have nothing doing currently. And I know I'm expected to bring some items to perform the, marriage rites. So I've come to plead. Give me some time so I can bring them bit by bit.
So this is why you came to see me?
Yes, sir, and I trust that you'd understand me because you're a man like me.
Monsieur,
sir.
First, you came here to tell me that you want to marry my daughter.
Yes, sir.
The next thing, you lost your job.
That can happen to anybody, sir.
Let me tell you, are you sure with this your condition now, you can be able to perform the marriage rite of my daughter? And let me also tell you, it is not compulsory that you must marry my daughter. It's not compulsory. You must marry my daughter. Now, if you marry my daughter, do you want to serve her to death?
God will provide.
God will provide.
God will provide, sir.
Because the marriage is not do or die affair. It's not try by your luck. Marriage is not come and go and try your luck. It's not by force.
Sir, okay.
Let me ask you, if we marry my daughter now with this occasion, how will you be taking care of her?
I just told you that God is going to provide, sir.
Let that God provide it now, before you go into this marriage.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
What is your problem?
It's fine. I'll try to do some things and I'll ensure everything is fine.
Everything is fine.
Yes, sir.
You sure everything is fine?
I'll try to make sure everything is fine.
It's okay. I'm watching.
princess, you're welcome.
Thank you. What's keeping you from opening the gate for me?
My princess, your sister, she blocked the gate with her car. I can't open the main gate. So, you can come and see for yourself.
Why would she do this? What is the meaning of this?
That's what I'm talking about.
Why will you allow her park here?
My princess, I tried to tell her to move the car, but she slapped me.
She slapped you?
Yes, my princess.
Is Daddy aware of this?
No, my princess.
I'm sorry about that. Adako. Adako. Isn't this pure wickedness? Do you expect me to lift my car on my head? Why will you block the gates? I am just returning from work. I am tired. And I need to retire to my chamber. Please take your car out of the way. Let me drive in.
Exactly, that's the point. Nobody goes in and nobody goes out. And that is to show you that I am in charge. This car is going to be parked here until I figure out what to do next.
Please, kindly drive your car out of this gate so that I can come in. I'm tired, please. I'm sorry. I can't leave my car outside.
Mandy, I am headed out. And my cab guy is outside. If you want to go out, I suggest you do same. Call a cab guy, you know.
Come get the gate. Daddy! Dad! Look at what that could be! She just stepped out. Look at what my sister did to me.
Why didn't you call my attention when this way happened?
I'm sorry, Your Majesty, but you were fast asleep.
I'll fix this. Retire to your room and rest.
Daddy, what about my car?
I'll fix it.
Get my things from the car. Bring my handbag and my iPad.
Slow down. Slow down.
But I'm not happy about it.
For some time now, you have been indoors, doing nothing. Just sitting there idle. Don't you think it is time for you to go out there and look for something to do? At least to put body and soul together. Huh? Or better still, go and meet Iche. Beg him to give you that boss back. If possible, add to the money that you use in balancing him. So that you can go on. Biko,
Mama,
I'm begging.
Mama, I knew you wanted to talk about that boss. Mama, I can't go there. I'm sorry, I can't. That man is very wicked. Listen, if that boss is the only reason for me to survive, I'd rather die.
God forbid.
Mama, do you know how many times I went to that man to ask him for the boss? He pretended as if he doesn't know me. He blocked his ears.
Mizzy, you have also heard that a beggar has no choice.
Mama, I'm not a beggar. I just don't have a job. That's by the way.